If you think your brown furniture looks dated and heavy, you're making a mistake. The furniture isn't the problem, it's everything around it. Brown and dark wood furniture are actually having a major moment right now, but there's a huge difference between brown furniture that looks like grandma's house and the one that looks expensive. There are 5 simple steps designers use that most people miss. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what they are. The first step to make your brown furniture look expensive again is to create a light base. The goal here is simple. Dark wood furniture is visually heavy, which means it naturally pulls attention and takes up a lot of visual space. When you place dark furniture in a dark room, the whole space starts to feel like a cave. On the other hand, if the room is bright white and cold, the furniture can feel harsh. The goal is to create a soft, light background so your furniture has breathing room and stands out in a good way. This step really comes down to 3 small changes that work together. First, add a light rug. This is usually the #1 trick for fixing a room with dark furniture. If you have brown furniture on top of dark wood floors, everything blends together into a black hole. Get a large rug in light beige, cream, or oatmeal. I love jute or sisal rugs. These are natural materials that look rough and textured, which matches the rustic vibe of old wood, but keeps the colors light and airy. Second, bring in softer, lighter fabrics. Pieces like a mahogany bed or a walnut dresser already feel solid and structured, so the room needs something that softens that feeling. Light fabrics create a gentle contrast that makes the wood look expensive. Use washed linen or boucle and cream or soft white that adds warmth and comfort. Third, use lighter, airy curtains. Brown furniture often has solid, block-like shapes, like a chunky table or a deep sofa. Hang sheer curtains that you can see through a little bit. These let natural sunlight stream in, which helps the wood look its best. The soft, flowy fabric helps the whole room feels lighter and easier to breathe in. One of the fastest ways to make brown furniture look cheaper is the wrong metal sitting right next to it. And once you start noticing it, you see it everywhere. A lot of wood pieces come with shiny silver handles or cool nickel finish, and the issue is that these tones feel cold. While dark wood is naturally warm, this can look mismatched or cheap, like office furniture. The solution? You need to change the hardware with warmer tones like satin brass, bronze, or antique gold. By switching to warmer metals, you give dark walnut or mahogany a timeless and fancy look. It makes the piece look like a custom antique rather than something you just picked up at a garage sale. You don't have to change every metal in the room to gold. Make brass your main metal, about 60%, and use it on the furniture or light fixtures. Then use black for smaller accents, around 30%, like picture frames or door handles. This mix helps the room feel balanced and styled by a professional. The next step is to add one modern element. A room filled only with dark brown furniture, old lamps, and traditional decor can start to feel like a time capsule. Everything becomes heavy and serious, almost like a museum. To make antique or traditional brown furniture look expensive, you need a little contrast. Designers do this by placing something new next to something old. This is called juxtaposition. The simple rule is, old plus new creates a cool and stylish look. The modern item acts as a fresh contrast that makes the wood furniture lighter and more interesting. There are a few very simple ways to add that modern touch without changing the furniture itself. First example, a modern lamp. Lighting is the easiest way to update a piece of furniture instantly. Take an old, heavy wooden side table and put a geometric retro lamp or a lamp with a cool toned linen shade on it. If you use a frilly, old-fashioned lamp, the table looks stuffy. If you use a sleek, modern lamp, the table suddenly looks like a cool vintage find. A small upgrade here also helps in larger spaces, replacing overly ornate or drippy chandeliers. With simpler fixtures that have clean lines, can make a dining table look much more elegant. Second example, large, simple artwork. Don't hang cluttered, old-fashioned pictures above dark wood furniture. Try a bold abstract painting with larger shapes and simple colors. The brown furniture becomes a quiet backdrop for the art, and the wall feels more like a gallery. Third example, softer shapes with mirrors. A round or arched mirror above the furniture brings in a gentle curve. If the mirror also catches light from a window or a nearby lamp, it helps the area feel brighter and keeps the furniture from dominating the space. Step number 4 is to break the matching set look. In the past, it was common to buy a bedroom suite where the bed, dresser, and nightstands were all made from the exact same wood with the exact same finish. Today, designers say this looks dated and flat. When everything matches perfectly, your room looks like a furniture store catalog instead of a real home. To make your room look modern, you need to stop the pieces from looking like clones. Here is how to fix it. First, separate the pieces. You don't have to get rid of your set, but you also don't need to keep everything in the same room. If you have a matching bed and dresser, move the dresser to the hallway or living room to use as a TV stand. Once they're apart, each piece can stand on its own instead of filling the room with too much of the same brown tone. Second, swap one element to change the look. Designers love what's called diversity of tone, which simply means mixing darker woods with lighter ones. If you have a dark walnut dining table, do not use the matching dark walnut chairs. Swap them out for a different material. Blonde oak chairs, or even a soft upholstered bench, immediately break that solid block of color and create movement in the room. A helpful rule here is repetition. If you add a lighter wood, repeat that tone somewhere else, even in something small like a frame. That's what makes it feel intentional. It also helps to let one wood tone lead in the room, usually the floor or the biggest piece, and use the second as contrast. Third, add contrast with softer materials. If you can't move or replace the furniture, you can still break up the heaviness with texture. This is what I call a textural intervention. If you have a heavy wooden chair, recover the seat cushion in a modern fabric like fuzzy wool or washed linen. Putting a soft, light fabric next to brown wood makes the furniture look expensive and lived in rather than old and stiff. Step 5. Fix the lighting. Lighting can age or upgrade a room instantly. Brown furniture naturally absorbs light, so if the room doesn't have enough brightness, everything can start to feel dark and heavy. And when the light is the wrong type, even beautiful walnut or mahogany can look muddy instead of rich. The first thing to check is simply the bulbs you're using. Most people never look at those numbers on the box, but they make a huge difference in how wood appears. First, you have to use warm bulbs. Light bulbs have a temperature measured in kelvins. Around 2700 K, the light feels soft and warm, almost like candlelight, which brings out the deeper tones in wood. At 3000 K, the light is a little brighter and clearer, so you still see the grain without the room feeling harsh. Where things go wrong is with bulbs labeled daylight or cool white, usually 4000 K or higher. That bluish light makes warm wood look gray, dull, and slightly artificial. Second, use layered lighting. One of the biggest mistakes is relying on a single ceiling light. This kind of lighting makes the room feel flat. Designers usually work with 3 layers of light: the main ceiling light for overall visibility, lamps near the furniture, and smaller accent lights that highlight specific areas. Final professional touch: use dimmers. Dimmers let you lower the brightness in the evening so the room reads warmer and more relaxed, instead of overly bright. That softer light adds depth and atmosphere, which is why rooms with brown furniture feel more inviting at night than during the day. What's been the biggest challenge with brown furniture in your home? And if paint is part of it, watch the next video on the best colors to go with it.